Recovering WhatsApp data is easier with a backup, so it's recommended to create frequent backups to ensure data safety. Below are some simple ways of using WhatsApp backup to restore lost WhatsApp data after uninstalling the app. Method 1. How to retrieve WhatsApp messages after deleting it by Coolmuster iPhone WhatsApp Recovery. If you have backed up your data to iTunes before deleting the WhatsApp app, Coolmuster iPhone WhatsApp Recovery can help you recover that data. Step 1. First, download and install Coolmuster iPhone WhatsApp Recovery on your PC. Launch the program and select Recover from iTunes backup file. Step 2. Afterwards, choose the desired backup file and click Start Scan. If the backup file cannot be found, click Select to locate it manually. Step 3. After scanning, preview the files and select the ones you wish to recover. When you're ready, click Recover to Computer to initiate the restoration from the iTunes backup. Note, of course, you can also restore WhatsApp data directly from iTunes. Backup. After connecting the iPhone to the computer, launch iTunes, click the iPhone icon. This computer restore backup. Select the latest backup from the backups list. Restore. However, we do not recommend this method because it can only restore the entire backup to the device, which is quite slow. Method 2. How to restore WhatsApp after deleting app from SD card backup. Did you uninstall your WhatsApp and you backed up your WhatsApp data on your SD card? You are very lucky because you can effortlessly recover all your lost WhatsApp data from the SD backup. Step 1. Open the File Manager app on the phone. Download it if you don't have one installed on your phone. Step 2. Tap on the SCARD folder, tap the WhatsApp folder, and hit the Databases folder. Step 3. Look for the backup file to restore your WhatsApp data and rename to Megstore DB. Crypt12 from the Megstore YIME DD 1 DB, Crypt12. Step 4. Uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall it again. You will now be prompted to restore WhatsApp data. Tap on the Restore button. Method 3. How to recover WhatsApp chat after uninstalling using iCloud backup. It is very simple to restore your WhatsApp data if you had backed up your WhatsApp data on iCloud earlier. Step 1. Uninstall your WhatsApp app. Navigate to the App Store and reinstall the app. Step 2. Use the instructions given to set up the application. You'll have to key in your contact number. Enter the verification number sent to your phone in the text area provided and verify the process. Step 3. To restore the lost WhatsApp data, tap the Restore Chat History button under the Restore from iCloud option. Method 4. How to restore WhatsApp after deleting app using WhatsApp Local Backup. WhatsApp creates a local backup when you back up your files. You can use the WhatsApp Local Backup to get back the lost WhatsApp data after uninstalling the application. Step 1. Begin the procedure by confirming if you have a WhatsApp Local Backup. Do that by moving to your phone's memory and navigating to the WhatsApp or Databases folder on the phone's internal memory. Step 2. Remove the WhatsApp application from your phone by uninstalling it. Reinstall the application on your phone again. Step 3. Key in the phone number associated with the WhatsApp account and verify it by entering the code sent to your phone into the text box provided. Step 4. Tap the Restore button under the Restore Backup section. The restoring process will begin. Wait as the process finishes. Method 5. How to recover deleted WhatsApp chat through Google Drive backup. Backing up WhatsApp data on your Google Drive makes restoring your WhatsApp data easy in case the data is lost. Step 1. Uninstall the WhatsApp app from your phone. Reinstall the app on your phone again. Step 2. Follow the instructions and key in your phone number. Verify the phone number by keying in the verification code sent to your phone into the text box provided. Step 3. Hit on the Restore button under the Restore Backup section to initiate the restoration of the lost WhatsApp data from a Google Drive backup.